Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is going to take the socket here and put it into this space here. Be a little bit careful with the socket, so if you push too hard on these, they'll actually pop out from this side, so just be careful. Alright, so what you want to do is just line it up with this, push it into place. It should just drop in like that. Okay, next, just flip it over, put it on the board, start soldering. The way I suggest you solder it is to do the two corners first, and then make sure it's seated correctly, because it's easier to unsolder just two spots than it is to unsolder the whole thing. So, push it down flat, just like that. That. Alright, so that's just two of them soldered in on the opposite corners. I'm going to flip it over, make sure it's seated correctly. Okay, it's pretty good. Now I'm just going to go through and I'm going to solder each one of these. Be careful that you don't use too much solder, because you don't want these to run together. They should be nice, clear, little peaked solder joints all the way along. Alright, so here we go. Okay. So now I'm just going to come up and I'm going to have a look, make sure that all the soldering joints look good. Okay, that looks good.